In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as a daily planner. We'll set up a simple board, add your first tasks, and turn on an automation that organizes your list for you every day. Start by heading to your Trello boards page so you can see all of your workspaces. Look toward the top and click Create, then choose Create Board. This opens a clean setup window. Pick a background that feels calm and easy on the eyes. Solid colors or subtle patterns reduce visual noise and make tasks easier to scan. Next, type a clear board title. Daily Planner works well, so you can spot it quickly on your dashboard. Choose the visibility that fits your needs. For most personal planning, Private keeps your tasks just for you. When you're ready, click Create and Trello will open your new board. On your fresh board, you'll see a prompt to add your first list. In the list title field, type To Do. This becomes the daily stack where new tasks will land. Click Add Card and enter your first task. Keep card titles short and action focused, like send weekly report or book dentist appointment. Cards can hold details, checklists, and due dates, which will become useful when we sort automatically. Now let's make the list maintain itself. Open the list menu by clicking the three dots on the to-do list. Choose automation to open Trello's built-in helper. Select the option that says Every Day, Sort List By. This template sets up a daily rule without any coding. You'll see a simple when and then layout. In the When section, choose the time each day you want Trello to tidy the list. Many people pick the start of their workday. In the Then section, set the sort order that matches how you prioritize. Sorting by due date is a great default because the earliest deadlines rise to the top. You can also sort by label, member, or alphabetically if that suits your style. When the rule looks right, click Add New Rule to save it. That's it. You now have a daily planner board that refreshes itself. Each morning, new cards can go into To Do, and the automation will bring the most urgent items to the top. Dragging cards can help reflect progress, and archiving completed tasks keeps things uncluttered. With this setup, Trello becomes a lightweight, reliable planner you can trust every single day.